to take my brakes a little bit. That's some scary shit. Okay, y'all, so this is my first hike. Y'all know it's 2022 and I'm trying to get back to doing the things that I be needing to do for myself. And this is step one and I'm scared. So yeah, y'all wish me luck because I haven't been on a hike in like a long periodically time and I'm scared. Oh, wait. Not me out here about to drown. Okay, y'all, so now we up here now. It's a hike. Okay. Now this look like we done did something. Now y'all, this is gorgeous. I think this like my favorite hike so far in LA. Now, I was scared at first, but I'm okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little tired, but I ain't like about to pass out. It is. I really like it. Y'all. This done took a turn that I really wasn't ready for. Y'all, we really out here on the mountain. Ah, look.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Okay, y'all, so look. We made it to the waterfall. Y'all, so y'all done made me go ahead and get into the hype because y'all are relentless on both Twitter, Instagram, TikTok with the memes, the tweets, all of the above. I decided to go ahead and watch Euphoria, okay? So far, as you can see, I'm on episode 2. And so far, you know what I'm saying? First episode, I get the hype. So we'll see. I'm going to take the journey with y'all. I know I'm late. But at the end of the day, it's not about that, okay? It's about the journey. It's about the expression. So I just be feeling so left out because all the TikToks, I be like, damn, I just have to keep scrolling because I don't get the references at all. I don't know what y'all talking about. So I'm here to join team what y'all on. I just want to be a part of the team. I want to be an alternate, actually. That's my number one goal. So let's see what it's talking about. Okay. So again, y'all see I'm at the very beginning. I'm trying to be on the team. But I get, so apparently there's been a lot of outrage about like how they feel like a lot of the consumers feel like this show is promoting like drug use and all that type of stuff in kids and, you know, the whole DARE program. We was all in it in high school. Well, I was in it in high school. I don't know if y'all was. But I do see that. But at the same token, I feel like this is not marketed for kids. This is for adults. And that'd be the biggest thing when I never understand. Like, that's the biggest thing that I never understand when, like, people go on their rampages and stuff like that. This isn't marketed towards kids. Your kids should not be watching this at all. Bitch, I'm 27. I feel like I barely should be watching. I'm on episode 2. She already talking about how drugs are cool. Am I impressionable? Okay, so I'm back. I got this. Got something else to say, girl. Okay, so my biggest thing is with this. This is actually like one of my biggest fears. Like, what if I have a kid and my kid turned out like that? Like, that's stressful. She done pushed the mama, had a piece of glass at the mall talking about, get me out this house. What would you do? Like, what would I do? I would want to just give the kid back. Like, I don't get that. Because, I mean, so far, it don't really seem like the mama was like a bad parent. You know, Rue just going through it. You know what I'm saying? She got her mental, oh, well, damn, I guess that's why. It's because of her mental disabilities and then the loss of her father. Damn, she need counseling. But it's like, her mama, I feel like the mama is trying. It's just like, she just not with the shit. And like, how do you parent that? Lord, see, this why I don't want no kids. No. Cause I would not know what to do. Oh. I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. She need to take her brakes a little bit. Feel like you in a what? Come on, Material World. It feels like a... Okay, I like that though.
Rolling pin.
The weekend is over. I gotta start getting ready for the week. That 9 to 5 just to stay alive. That 9 to 5 just to stay alive. How come? Because I gotta pay my bills. But what y'all can do is go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all know I'm barely a YouTuber, but y'all can, you know what I'm saying, help the process. Help the process for me. You know what I'm saying? Let's share the video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. Do all the things that you do with your favorite YouTubers with me, and I'll talk to y'all later. I'm still trying to watch Euphoria, but I don't know. I think it's my attention span. I think I am usually overly stimulated by the show, so it's like I'll be super focused, and then I tap out, and then once I tap out, I done miss like all the key parts that I needed. So then I'm rewatching it. We'll see. I'll give y'all an update if I'm able to do it or not. But I'll talk to y'all later.